Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses nation on COVID-19 and states that India has reported less deaths. Also warns people not to step out of their residences without masks. Highlights importance of sanitizing hands and also says India's recovery rate is over 51%. Indian Army officer and two soldiers killed in scuffle with Chinese Army in Galwan Valley amid a dangerous escalation of an intense face-off between the two armies since April. The incident comes days after Indian Army Chief General M.M. Narawane said both sides have begun disengaging from Galwan Valley. Meanwhile, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh chairs emergency meet and CDS Chief Bipin Singh Rawat briefs Defence Minister of the situation. Minister for External Affairs S. Jaishankar also attended the meet. Defence Minister also briefed Prime Minister Narendra Modi about the standoff. Indian Army releases statement on the high-intensity face-off on the Galwan Valley. Army claims both sides suffered casualties during the face-off. Commander-level talks currently underway to de-escalate the situation. India reports 10,667 new COVID-19 cases and 380 deaths in the last 24 hours. India crosses 3 lakh mark total number of cases in the country, which stands at 3,43,091 cases, including 1,53,178 active cases, 1,80,013 recoveries and 9,900 deaths. During the last 24 hours, 10,215 COVID-19 patients have been cured. Total number of 1,80,012 patients so far have been discharged. The recovery rate rises to 52.47%, which is indicative of the fact that more than half of positive cases have recovered from the deadly disease. Meanwhile, Karnataka has reported 213 cases of COVID-19 on Monday, taking the total tally to 7,213 cases. Karnataka has 2,987 active cases. Total COVID deaths have increased to 88, with 2 new deaths being reported, one each from Dharwad and Bengaluru. Karnataka also reported 180 discharges in a single day. Total number of discharges now stands at 4,135 in the state. Bidar has reported 36 discharges, Yadgir 33, Kalburgi 32, Udupi 23 and Belagavi has reported 22 discharges. Bengaluru on Monday reported 35 new COVID-19 cases and 1 death. Total number of cases in the city has climbed to 725. Death toll in Bengaluru has climbed to 33. A 30-year-old woman suspected to have contracted COVID-19 in Vikas Sauda. Woman was working in Food and Civil Supplies Department. 5 rooms have been sealed in the first floor of Vikas Sauda and contact tracing is currently underway.